Day. So we are making a Valentine's Day brunch today for Scott and I, and this is what we're doing. So right now I am thawing out pastry because I'm gonna make cheese danishes. I have the oven preheated. I'm getting ready to put some biscuits in there so I can do sausage biscuits. We're gonna do blueberry muffins, and then we're going to make and decorate Dolly Parton sugar cookies. So very exciting. I'm just gonna do these biscuits in the oven. And let's see. Easy peasy. There we go. I'm just gonna do 6. Let's get these in the oven. Another thing I like to do is to take screenshots of my recipe instructions so I don't have to spend all this time scrolling around on a Pinterest blog because there's so much nonsense on recipe blogs that I don't care about. I just jump to the recipe. So that's what I just did. Yay. I'm gonna take a brief pause while I wait for the biscuits and feed the dogs because they are getting very hungry and very demanding. Aren't you? Is a mess. Okay, we're gonna put together these blueberry muffins. These are for Scott. I'm not a big blueberry muffin person. So he's gonna eat some today, and then he's gonna take the rest to everyone at his work. camera died. So here is half of the pastries, and we're gonna do the other half now. Very exciting. How would you rate the meal? Only one thumbs up? Oh! Oh, 3 thumbs up. What was your favorite part? The cheese danishes were really good. They're supposed to have icing drizzled over the top, and they really don't even need it. They're so good without it. Muffins good, biscuits good, all good. I got to use my Wedgwood teacup. Scott's very excited. He has a lot of leftovers for the week. What's your favorite part of being my Valentine?
Food.
What if I had made food?
Well,
What?
you have to cross that bridge when we came to it.
Oh, jeez.